Hi everyone. During last few videos, already I have discussed about few manufacturing concepts. Some concepts undergoes to the lean manufacturing, and some concept undergoes to the other manufacturing concepts. But today I thought little bit I want to discuss with you regarding the lean manufacturing concept and why organization willing to implement lean manufacturing concept. I think this is very important to uh, take some understanding because nowadays most of the companies, not only the manufacturing, some organization in service sector also, they are searching, they are willing to implement lean manufacturing concept in their organization. So it is very important to get some understanding about why they want to implement lean manufacturing concept. In here, I have put two definitions of lean manufacturing. First one is lean is a philosophy to reduce lead time with identifying and eliminating waste which we meet on the production and other processes. The second definition is systematically develop people and continuously improve processes to create value and prosperity while consuming minimum resources. First, I would like to little bit discuss about this definition. According to this definition, okay, develop people and also continuously improve process. If any organization focusing continuous improvement on their process, lean manufacturing is one of the best concept they can adapt, they can implement. Because according to the lean, most of the time addressing the continuous improvement related things. Other than the process, there is a term in here, develop people. It is also very important because if develop people only, they can react on the process. As example, if organization develop people, then people knowledge, skill, and attitude will be enhanced. Then people will work on the process for the process improvement. As well as if there is any issue on process, then people can act on the process and people can solve the problem. So if organization really want to go continuous improvement journey, if they want to engage the people for process improvement, problem solving, then organization going to implement the lean manufacturing concept. Other thing is when we consider this definition, lean is philosophy to reduce lead time. That is very important thing. Okay, when we talk about the lead time, as example, when we talk about the lead time, okay, as example, we'll think this is the lead time. In the lead time, there are several throughput times. There are several throughput times. As example, this is one throughput time. This is another one. This is another one like that. There are several throughput times. Collection of the throughput time is we can tell as a lead time. As an example, we'll think this is stores. In our organization, this is stores. So there is a throughput time for stores. If we consider this is fabric cutting department also has some throughput time. So if the organization can reduce the throughput time of each and every processes, then automatically organization lead time will be reduced. It is very important to think about how to reduce the throughput time of each and every process. It is very simple because every process is included with wastages. So if organization can understand, identify what are the wastages inbuilt in process, and if they can reduce or eliminate those wastages, definitely the process throughput time will be reduced. When the process throughput time reduce in each and every process, automatically the organization lead time will be reduced. Then what is the importance of lead time reduction? That is the next question. We know to run the organization in proper way, cash flow is very much required thing. If the cash flow very smooth, then organization can sustain without any issue. So we have to understand when the lead time is reduced, the cash flow, that means the turn-in cycle will be reduced. That means organization cash flow will be very much smooth. So how the cash flow is smooth? Because of the lead time reduction. How the lead time reduction happen? Because of the reduction of throughput time. How the throughput time reduction happen? Because company organization understood the wastages and they eliminate and they reduce the wastages. So if the organization want to run organization without any financial issues, they want to smooth the cash flow. So organization want to smooth the cash flow. They want to reduce the lead time. Lean manufacturing concepts will support it to reduce the lead time, and because of that it will support to smooth the cash flow. That is the one reason organization required to implement the lean manufacturing concept. We'll move to the next point. There is a equation when we consider the three terms: cost, profit, and price. This is the previous equation. What is the previous equation? Cost plus profit equal price. Cost plus profit equal price. As a manufacturing organization or service sector, we know what is our cost per product or per service. Then, based on the owner's requirement, we can decide the profit also. How much profit owner want to receive. Then based on that, okay, we know the cost, we know about the profit owners required, then cost plus profit, it will create the price. Based on the cost and profit, organization can decide the price. But current scenario is totally different. Now, this equation change like this. Price minus cost equal profit. Now, because of the competitive environment, we can't decide the price. That means price decided by competitive market environment. Price decided by competitive, okay, competitive market environment. Competitive market environment. So owners has only one way. If he want to increase the profit, only thing he can do is reduce the cost. That is the only option nowadays the manufacturing and service sector organization have. So if we want to reduce the cost, definitely again we have to address the wastages in our each and every process. So if we want to reduce the cost, definitely we have to reduce the wastages in our processes. Because of that, organization willing to implement lean manufacturing concept and reduce the wastages of their processes, to get the highest profit. Already we have discussed why organizations going to implement lean manufacturing concept. Two things already we have discussed. The first one is organization want to smooth the cash flow. If they want to smooth the cash flow, what they have to do, they have to reduce the lead time. The second thing is organization expecting highest profit. So if they want to if they want to increase the profit, only way now they have to reduce the cost. So if they want to reduce the cost, definitely they have to implement the lean manufacturing concepts. Now we move to the third one, third reason. Okay, you can see this graph. Okay, this is conventional organization. This is lean manufacturing concepts implemented organization. Please assume the green color shows the productivity, value adding related things. The red color shows the wastages. Every organization want to increase the productivity, value adding activities because they want to sustain in the industry. Then conventional organization increase the productivity. Okay, how they increase the productivity? They hire new machines. They recruit new people. They increase the number of production line. Maybe they will start another factory also. That means they increase the productivity by increase the cost. This is the cost axis. You can see when improve the productivity, cost also going up. But they have not addressed, okay, the wastages. So we have to think about how lean manufacturing implemented organization improve their productivity. Their major mechanism is reduction of waste. Reduction of waste. So by reduction of waste, they are going to improve the productivity. That is the third requirement organization going to implement the lean. Okay, this is the summarized version. Okay, I am discussing with you why organization want to implement lean manufacturing concept. There are a lot of things, but mainly three reasons. First one is organization want to smooth the cash flow of the organization. Then second thing is organization want to reduce the cost because they want higher profit. Third one, to productivity improvement through reduction of waste. These are the main three requirement organization expecting to achieve by implementing lean manufacturing concept. Other than that, there are a lot of benefits by implementing lean organization can reach. As example, productivity will be improved, wastages going to be reduced, lead time improvements, inventory reduction, inventory turn, inventory turn improvements, quality improvements. Based on the lean, organization can create visual workplace. The very important thing is by implementing lean, organization can enhance employee morale and involvement, engagement, reduction of machine and process breakdown, improve the delivery performance, then greater satisfaction of the customers as well as improve the supplier relations. When organization achieve all these benefits, what happen? Organization profit will be increased. When the organization profit will be increased, what happen? Business will be grown. When the business will be grown, what will happen? It will be good for the employees also, as well as when point of view organization. Okay, organization can long-term sustainability. Okay, so when we consider all these things, we can tell lean is very important tool, concept, and also we can tell it is somewhat of belief and somewhat of philosophy. Every organization, not in the manufacturing, service sector, and other all sectors, has to be considered to implement in their organization. So I think now you have some good understanding why organization want to implement lean manufacturing concept. I'm hoping to come again with some interesting topic. Till that, okay, till that, goodbye for now.